Hey, tea lovers! This week we're sharing something truly special, organic Northwest Sunset, a calming, refreshing blend that feels like a deep breath at the end of a long day. It begins with honeybush, known for supporting overall wellness and easing digestion. Peppermint and spearmint bring a cool, crisp brightness that helps calm the stomach and refresh the senses. Rose hips add a touch of tangy sweetness, while delivering a natural boost of vitamin C for immune support. Hibiscus contributes its vibrant color along with properties that promote healthy circulation and balance. Finally, lemon verbena adds a delicate citrus note, traditionally used to ease tension and encourage relaxation. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or simply taking a moment for yourself, Organic Northwest Sunset is more than tea. It's a gentle, flavorful escape that nurtures both body and mind. Find it now at fullleafteacompany.com and make your next tea moment something special.